Intimate relationships. Why is it me now? Because it's on TV.
You based on that. I'm not judging Tamara based on that.
I mean, I get you. I get you.
You are my son. Yes.
Your son slept here. I understand. Yeah. When Tamara, Mama is talking like as a mom.
Yes.
But there are two things I wanna say or flag out. One, there's a man of approach. You can't say you care and then your statements are like judging. One, and then my point, Mama, the number two, sometimes I've
also got a son and I leave him, let him go shy.
Yes, you can advise for the now. You see the problem here.
That's
Mama.
what I did.
The problem here is saying you are claiming you have done it, and City is saying no.
No, but I did the way
Nobody's listening to you.
No, Mama, it's like you're
I'm not
stopping.
up to Yena. Kiss all Lena from that mistake.
Now she's dating a man. She's
Utamara is raising something here. She's saying it's like a joke because you are judging her of 3 kids, but you are dating a man currently who's got master kids, abo seats
of 5 kids.
Of 5 kids, but now is it not the same?
And then now what now?
I'm not gonna go down that
lane. Kids.
You girl,
They can't tell you.
Tamara, you'll cry crocodile tears one day.
Why did she cry?
Don't do that. Don't mock.
She's not mocking you.
Tamara, don't mock.
I wasn't raised by mother that drink and smoke. We were doing it because of my fathers.
Mama, back to you. We saw it, and